Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Image Playground on any phone. Now first you'll have to go into your settings on your iOS, then you should go to General, then click on Software Update. And you need to make sure that you have iOS 18.2 update. And if you have any version that is older, you should upgrade it to this version or even another version that is newer. After that, you can simply go back to the settings and scroll down till you find this option right here, Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it. Then you should make sure that this option, Apple Intelligence, is toggled on. Once you toggle it on, now you can simply open any chat like this one right here. Then click on this plus sign beside the text box, and here it will show you these options. Just click on Image Playground. Now here, as you can see, because I have already access to this application, it opened with me with no problems. But in some cases, if you do not have the access to it yet, you can simply get this page. You just have to click on Request Early Access, and after that you'll have to wait for about 1 to 2 days or even 3 days maximum, and after that they will give you the access to this beta image creation. And now let's say that I want to type any prompt right here, and it will create an image using my prompt. So here, as you can see, I have typed make a farmer in the city, then click on done, and it will show me here some examples. If you want to see the example, just tap on the photo itself and it will show you multiple options, or you can simply click on the appearance or anything that is above right here, and you can also remove it. So if you remove the appearance, it will differ in the photo. And you can also choose a person. If you want to make the photo of someone, you can choose a person when you click on the appearance, and you can also choose another appearance by clicking on appearance right here. And after you choose the person, you can simply click on done, and it will use the person's face in order to create the image. In addition to that, you can use some of the options down below right here, like costumes, themes, and when you click on show more, it will show you more and more options that you can actually choose. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.